So guys, I'm here gonna fix that light real quick. Hopefully just the bolt. Take it out. Voy a arreglar esa luz ahí. Ojalá que nomás es el bombillo. Pero aquí estoy cargado con molido para norte. So I'm loaded with shreds. Going up north. So is the red Kentworth over there. So we're gonna be going over there to Oakland, Union City actually, together. So también ese troque rojo, el Kentworth, está cargado con molido. Let me show you guys the load. So there's a load of shred. That red truck is also loaded with shreds. So ese troque rojo también está cargado con molido. And well, the truck is dirty because it rains. It's been raining here for a while. Está sucio el troque porque está lloviendo mucho. So look at it. It's all dirty. It was muddy over there in Lost Hills, so I took out my boots and put my shoes on. It's not dirty the inside of my truck, so puse mis botas ahí y me puse estos tenis para no ensuciar mi troque de adentro. Que a mí no me gusta tener los troques sucios. And it's not that clean, I know, but I'm trying my best. But so we'll see each other in the morning. Buenos días, son las 2:20 de la mañana. Aquí voy llegando a la yarda. So it's 2:20, the yard. I'm over here, just getting here, getting ready to roll. I'm gonna do my pre-trip, and we're gonna head to Union City. Guys, I'm here already on the 99, leaving Bakersfield, but look how much it's raining. This is a lot of rain for me. I never see a lot of rain like this. There's mucha lluvia. Aquí voy saliendo de Bakersfield, pero está lloviendo mucho y bastante. Aquí en Bakersfield ha llovido tanto. Tal vez se va a hundir todos los freeways. So I know there were some freeways up north that got flooded. I think it was over there in Watsonville. But good thing we're going to be loading in Fresno on the backhaul. So and we're cruising at 55. Guys, when it rains, let's go slower. You guys already know how much time it takes to slow these guys down, especially when you're loaded. So ando 55 y pues ya ves, aquí más despacito cuando está lloviendo así fuerte, porque si tenemos que parar, no vamos a parar bien rápido. Pero ahí nos vamos, we'll be going over there to Union City, and you guys see the process. There's a red Kentworth. Here's my Peterbilt. Oh, we just used the restroom, checked my tires, cleaned my windshields. Ya usamos el baño. Me fijé en las llantas, todas las llantas parecen que están bien, y luego limpié todos mis vidrios. Y ahora ya vamos a ir para Union City. Nos faltan, let me check it out real quick. Para Union City nos falta, I think, como 1 hora y media, pero con traficar va a ser 2 horas. Yeah. So 2 hours. So 2 horas para llegar a Union City. Lo que pensé también. So vamos a llegar ahí como a las 9. Pero está bien, es buen tiempo. Pero ahí nos vemos allá. So we're here, son las 8. We're on the 580. estamos en el 580. Yo creo que si no es el 580 es el 880. Pero como ven, aquí era todo trafical que va corriendo. So look at all that traffic. There's no more traffic here for that north region over here in Sacramento area. There's always traffic right here. Now we look at the truck. Aquí está el truck rojo. Lo voy a pasar porque ya lo adelanté. But we're gonna be fighting this traffic for about 30 minutes. So vamos a estar aquí en traficar unos 30 minutos. Y ya pues va a correr bien. And then we'll get to Union City. I just got here, it's 9:16. So aquí ya llegué para descargar. That's my first time here with Peterbilt, so it is a little narrow here. But let's see if we can do it. Hopefully I just don't get any pop tires anywhere because it's a long truck. The scale, I barely fit in the scale. Some of my tire was over the scale, but the guy said it was fine. Y ahorita vamos a descargar bien rápido para que miren. You guys saw I got done loading, como vieron ya descargué, and I got a nail in one of my tires. So ahorita cuando abrí la puerta para descargar vi que tenía un tornillo en una de mis llantas, which is this one. That truck's about to unload, so I'm recorded. Pero esa is this tire right here. Esta llanta que está en tornillo. But I'm gonna go check it over there in the front, so I don't go not in all in this mud right here. I'll check it out, but either way, I think I'm gonna run it like that to Fresno because I'm empty and I don't want to touch it, and then it just completely just falls out. So voy a correr la llanta así. Acabo estoy vacío y nomás está tirando poquito. Y lo corro hasta Fresno y vamos a ver cómo queda. Right now the material should slide off. Ahorita va. Debe soltar la trailer del material. Entonces se va bien fácil. So this shred slides out quick. There it goes. Let's go get our weight. Said I barely fit on the scale. Apenas cabo en esta báscula. Como vieron allá, la llanta casi está afuera. Over here, it's good. But I'm gonna wait for other guy. We're gonna both go to Fresno. I'm gonna check my tires real quick. Yeah, like I said though, this truck is long. Look at that. We just got here to Fresno. It's las 1:13. It's 1:13. I'm pretty sure they're gonna load us with those Bell cars. I'm hoping they do, so it's fast and we could get to Bakersfield quick and unload and be able to preload something. So yo digo que nos van a cargar con puros pacas de carros, porque es lo que traen nomás, traen muchos. Ojalá que nos quede con eso para hacer de volada y para poder alcanzar a descargar allá en Bakersfield y cargar algo para mañana. Pero pues vamos a ver cómo nos va. Sí me están cargando con carros, so they are loading me up with 10 bells of cars, switch bells. My other driver is leaving. He's gonna wait for me, I'm pretty sure. Ahorita me va a esperar para irnos juntos para atrás. Me están cargando. Ahorita nos cargan como unos 10 minutos de volada. They'll load me up in 10 minutes and we'll be out of here. So I checked my load. It's good. I'm just getting out again. So fijé mi carga. Está todo bien. Nada va a volar. It's all cars, like I said, car bells. Weighed at 76,900. But now we're gonna head back to Bakersfield. Check that out. Over here we got off because one of the other truckers called me. We saw each other on the freeway. He was going northbound, I was going southbound. He called me and said that the freeway, the 99 passing to Larry, is flooded. So me llamó otro camarada ahí, se llama Gómez, que trabaja ahí con nosotros, pero me llamó diciendo que el 99 para sur está hundido. Mira esas petras. Entonces yo y este otro chofer lo vamos a dar por acá a ver cómo nos va. So we're gonna go this way just to beat the traffic and see how it goes. There's all the traffic, ahí está todo trafical. There's all the traffic. I don't know where the water's at, so no sé dónde está la agua, on the meadow. We might even get it. Tal vez nosotros ganamos ese pedazo que está hundido acá en esta calle. Pero river, guys. Look how full it is. Look at that. It is completely full. Wow. I just got here, ya llegué aquí para descargar. We're gonna get our paper signed and load dirt, and I'll show you guys how to unload. Cargué tierra ahorita, so I loaded dirt, and that's the end of my day. It's 4:37, so ya es el final de mi día. Ahorita va a cargar tierra y también este otro, so our trucks. They're gonna load dirt right now for tomorrow, but look at this Peterbilt. It's Chewy's. He works here. He moves the equipment for the company here. And ahí está la Petra de Chewy. Bien bonita. Las estacas yo creo que son de 7 o 8. La visera bien bonito, sus luces arriba. Nice and simple.